Shalom all my brother and sister in Christ. Okay, last time I made a video regarding the rapture time frame for the year 2024, and the rapture will not happen later than the year 2027. But I make a little bit mistake about I count down the Jubilee year for every 50 years. Okay, in fact, my other video, I explain you the Jubilee year for every 49 years. Okay, in the reality, so the 7 of sabbatical year, 7 times sabbatical year. So 7 times 7 years is 49 years. Jubilee year announced on Yom Kippur, usually by the end September, early October, Yom Kippur or the Day of Atonement, according to Leviticus chapter 25, and start in the New Year calendar, according to a biblical calendar or God's calendar, usually around spring, in the month of Nisan or Abib. In fact, the month of Passover, and when Jesus Christ was crucified in the first month of the year. First month of the year is the month of Nisan or Abib. Usually in March, between in March, late March, something like that, or early April. So anyway, they start the Jubilee year in the month of Nisan, okay, and they announce it usually in September, so almost 6 months later. This time frame kind of significant, by the time when Jesus Christ was crucified. Jesus Christ started his ministry, and he announced it during the acceptable year of the Lord. Acceptable year of the Lord mentioned in Luke chapter 4, and also Isaiah 61 regarding the time frame when the bride of Christ, the church herself, and the bridegroom, Jesus Christ, met each other. Okay, then in acceptable year of the Lord. Okay, or Jubilee year. So Jubilee year start in the month of Nisan or Abib, or in the first month of God's calendar, so still in the New Year season, God's New Year, start around that time, but announced in 6 months earlier. So just the same significant like when Jesus first time to start his ministry, in the month of March. Okay, in the month of September, or when he's announced it the same day on Yom Kippur or the Day of Atonement. Alright, the Day of Atonement, so around the end of September. And he was crucified, died on the cross in the month of Nisan or Abib, sometime in March. So 6 months later. So the same thing like this Jubilee year. Announce it on the Yom Kippur or the Day of Atonement, just the same time when Jesus started his ministry, or on a Yom Kippur or the Day of Atonement in September. At the time in 26 AD, he started his ministry, and he died on the cross in March, the month of Nisan, during Passover week, something like that. So kind of like have a connection each other. Okay, so this is very interesting, for the Jubilee year thing. But I explained you last time, some people counting every 50 years. Like I told you last time, okay. So we'll bring up the year 2024 because when Jesus started his ministry, what I believe before 27 AD, okay, 27 AD, when in the video before this video, my last video, 27 AD, and then this for the year 2027 rapture time frame. Okay, so for 40 jubilee year, for 40 jubilees, 40 times 50 years, 2000. Jesus died on the cross 27 AD, or was crucified in 27 AD plus 2000, so 2027. Just right the same time, in the same year, or the same year for the rapture time frame. And also, like I explained you already, there are many dreams and vision talk about Christmas and Hanukkah, rapture dreams and vision, and Hanukkah in the year 2027 is about Hanukkah, on the Christmas Eve, December 24, in the year 2027. Start on December 24 on Christmas Eve, and end right on New Year's Day, January 1st, 2025, because that kind of close, between these two holidays. In the year 2027 and the year 2024, this year, the first day of Hanukkah just right on December 25th, or Christmas Day, and will end on January 2nd, 2025. Okay? That kind of significant, but I explain it kind of similar like this. So, but in reality, after I did the research, I know I put the other video, I pause it, that the correct one, not my last video. The Jubilee year, biblical Jubilee year, they count down every 49 years, 7 for sabbatical year, 7 times 7, 49 years. So, in fact, the Jubilee itself, the year after that, like I explained already, they announced it on the 49th year, that on Yom Kippur, but began the following year on the month of Nisan, or the first month of God's New Year calendar. Okay, they began, so the following year. But the time that during that time, the sabbatical year already start again, the new cycle, kind of like overlap, even though it said like the 50th year. Okay, start the Jubilee year on the month of Nisan, maybe last until a year. Usually the Jubilee year to forgive the debt, give the rest for the land, so not planting in the crop, the crop or the plants, for the farm, stuff like that, something like that, according to Leviticus chapter 25. So the thing is like this, in reality, for the Jubilee year, we counting only the 7 for sabbatical year, 49 years, not 50 years. Okay, let me tell you, again, to explain you about this one. For this rapture time frame, 2024 and 2027, the highest rapture alert according to many end time dreams and visions. The times and the season are Hanukkah and Christmas seasons. At the same time, and the year after that is Jubilee year, when 7 years tribulation to begin, right when the Antichrist confirm the covenant with many nations for 7 years. Okay, like mentioned in Daniel chapter 9, 1 week equals 7 days. 7 days equal 7 years. Okay, in Daniel 9 verse 24 to 27. Jubilee year is the 50th year after every 7 sabbatical year. The Jubilee year occurring after every 7 Sabbath year. Thus, every 50 years is an economic, cultural, environmental, and communal reset, when the land and people rest and all those who are in slavery are set free to return to their communities. Leviticus chapter 25. Okay, there are two possibilities to count the Jubilee year. Since Israelis enter the promised land in the year 1406 BC, and when Jesus Christ began his ministry in 26 AD. Like last time I'm counting the video I showed you last time. It's possibility Jesus Christ began his ministry on 27 AD, in 27 AD. And plus 40 Jubilees, 40 times 50, 2000. So 27 plus 2000, 2027. Because in that year, the same year, 2027, the Hanukkah festival start on Christmas Eve, December 24th, and will end right on January 1st or New Year's in the that 2027, sorry. So that Hanukkah festival will start right on Christmas Eve, 2027, and will end January 1st or on New Year's 2028. I'm counting like that. Not every 50 years. After I did the research again, like my other video before that, correct, not my last video. Every 49 years. Okay, Jubilee year announcing on the 49th year, but start about 6 months later or on the New Year calendar, God's calendar, Okay, and last until about a year. But when the time like that, the sabbatical year start again, the new cycle. So every 49 years, the correct one, for the Jubilee year. So when we count the Jubilee year, the acceptable year of the Lord, okay. So in the reality, Jesus began ministry 26 AD, more accurate rather than 27 AD. The reason why, okay, Jesus was born in 5 BC, rather than, hold on, he was born, he was about 30 years old, in 26 AD. So 26 AD minus 30 for BC is about 3 BC. Okay? If he was born, he began ministry in 27 AD, is about, he was born in 2 BC. I think more correct if 3 BC, he was born in 3 BC. 3 plus 29, 3 plus 26 AD, 26 years, 29 years. And the different time between BC and AD plus 1 year, because no, the first year AD, no 0 AD. So no 0 AD. So they start on 180. After that, the last date BC, the year of BC. So we have to add 1 year. Okay, Jesus born in 3 BC, 3 plus 26, 29, and plus 1, for the difference between BC and AD, the year BC and AD. So 30 years old. Okay, so what I heard could be the history, the counting as accurate, like during that Herod, reign, because at the time Herod killed a lot of babies as young kid under 2 years old. Okay, because he do not want to other king compete with him. But what he heard from three wise men, the wise men who visited Jesus Christ, he was not a baby when Jesus Christ, when they visited Jesus Christ. He's already, like at least 2 years old. I mean, under 2 years old is about like little like toddler, yeah. So already not a little baby. So when Herod heard about that from wise men, he don't like it. So he killed all the babies in that area, yeah. I think around Jerusalem or something like that. So because to kill the baby will become king, yeah. The wise men talking about Jesus Christ, yeah. So Herod died, yeah, according to history, suppose, yeah, meant about Jesus Christ 2 years old. It's at least like that. Maybe 1 years old. If 1 years old, yeah, he was born 3 BC, so it's about 2 BC, something like that, yeah. Something like that. And talking about the Tiberius reign, yeah, when he started his ministry, Jesus Christ, yeah, that it mentioned in the I don't remember what the chapter, yeah. Let me show you. I show you before this, yeah. Let me see again if I can find it, yeah. This one. Yeah. But here, yeah, I know I show you before about this information. Jesus' life work, yes, about 26 to 30 AD, see? Yeah, this is more accurate. 26 AD to 30 AD. 26 AD, he started his ministry. 30 AD when he died on the cross, crucified and died on the cross, 30 AD. Okay? Compared with Jesus, and Roman historian established the fact that Jesus' life work was done about 26 to 30 AD. Okay? So, this this is said in Luke chapter 3 verse 1, yeah. On the 15th year of the reign of Tiberius Caesar, Pontius Pilate, being governor of Judea, and Herod, being tetrarch of Galilee, and his brother Philip, tetrarch of the region of Iturea and Trachonitis, and Lysanias, tetrarch of Abilene, in the high priesthood of Annas and Caiaphas, the word of God came unto John, the son of Zacharias, in the wilderness. Okay? The statement of Luke makes absolutely certain the approximate date of Jesus' public ministry, for we know when Tiberius was emperor, 14 to 37 AD. So when Pilate was procurator, between 26 to 36 AD, but it failed to give us an exact date. Okay, 15 years of the reign of Tiberius Caesar, from the year when he became a colleague with the Emperor Augustus in 12 AD, or to the date, the year when he became emperor after Augustus' death, 14 AD. The uncertainty of Luke datum is therefore a matter of 2 years, pointing either to the year 26 to 27 AD, or the year 28 to 29 AD. Yeah? So, I think there's a Bible scholarship, yeah, they mention from between 26 to 28 AD. Clear. But I believe 26 AD. Because when you see Jesus' birth around that 3 BC, if later, you have to count on Herod still alive or not, when he killed a lot of these babies. For the babies, little child under 2 years old. Okay? We have to see the time when Herod is alive, when Jesus also was a baby. That too, not just when he starting his ministry during that Tiberius, which is called Caesar Tiberius. Let me see. Yeah, Tiberius Caesar. Yeah, the 15th year. So I think more accurate than when you see Herod, who killed a lot of babies, yeah, because they don't want to compete with him, and this baby become a king someday, according to the wise men. But yeah, that's true. Jesus is the king. Yeah, he will become king of king during his millennial kingdom. Okay, in the near future, after 7 years tribulation is over, and then his second coming, he established or created new heaven and new earth, and then his millennial kingdom. So, yeah, more accurate, I think 26 AD. Then 27 AD. And more also 28, 29 AD. Jesus started his ministry in 26 AD. He was born, he's about 30 years old and in 26 AD. So 26 minus 30 years, not 4 BC, 3 BC, because the different time between BC and AD, we have to add 1 year. So he was born in 3 BC. In fact, according to the history, Herod died, living on the last time on 4 BC. If Jesus born 3 BC, it's before that even. Sometimes could be the time, the year not as accurate, yeah. So the most, I think 26 AD then 27 AD. Jesus started his ministry. This is what I see. And died on the cross in 30 AD. So, okay, back to here, yeah. I would like to show again. Rather than 27 AD in my last video. If we count in around 26 AD. Okay, back again here, yeah. Let me read it again about this one. There are two possibilities to count the Jubilee year, since Israelis entered the Promised Land in 1406 BC and when Jesus Christ began his ministry in 26 AD. When we count the Jubilee year, the acceptable year of the Lord, from when Jesus Christ started his ministry, is more accurate, because the Bible tells so. Luke 4 and Matthew 4. Yeah, Luke chapter 4 and Matthew chapter 4. Rather than in 1406 BC when the Israel entered Promised Land, that we started the Jubilee year. Because the Bible do not mention when Israel entered the Promised Land, yeah, that during Jubilee year or not. But the Bible mentioned about Jesus Christ. And he started his ministry during Jubilee year or acceptable year of the Lord. Okay. Let's start it when Israel entered the Promised Land first. Canaan in 1406 BC. It's about 70 Jubilees. 70 Jubilees, not 70 times 50 years. Yeah? 70 Jubilees, 70 times 49 years. 3,430 years. 1406 BC plus 3,430 years is 2024. This year. And plus 1 year. The difference from BC to AD. Yeah, the 1 year. 2025 AD. 2025 AD, not about the rapture year. If this counting Jubilee year from when the time Israelis, the Jews, entered the Promised Land, the Canaan land. 2025, the year when the Antichrist confirmed the covenant to start 7 years tribulation or Jacob trouble. Alright? By the end 2024 is the rapture of the church season, because the Hanukkah feast began right on Christmas Day, December 25th, 2024, like I explained you already, yeah? And end on January 2nd, 2025. As God revealed it already, Hanukkah and Christmas rapture dreams and vision to many Christians all over the world in so many years. Besides, the year 2024 is the dragon year, according to Chinese horoscope, and 2025 is the serpent year, according to Chinese horoscope too. Both dragon and serpent are Satan or the beast himself. Is that about the 7 year tribulation and the Antichrist will show up? The first beast, the one in Revelation 13, because representing this dragon and serpent, just the exact year, according to the Chinese horoscope in this year and the next year. Kinda interesting, like I explained already, And beside, the two total solar eclipses all across America. From that, the first one, August 21st, 2017, and the second one, April 8, 2024, will mark the letter X. Something happened in America. Oh, talking about 2024 and this the time frame. It's kind of interesting. Could be, because the first day of Hanukkah, right on Christmas Day, something happened on Christmas this year, even though not the rapture. Just saying. Because I explained already, Jubilee year, started when Jesus Christ started his ministry in the 26 AD, rather than 1406 BC, when the time Israelis entered the promised land. But this still kind of interesting with this counting like this, Maybe could be something significant this Christmas and Hanukkah time frame also, even though not the rapture time frame this year. Alright? Because what I heard, one CIA, confessed in his deathbed, will be many millions of people will die in the year 2024. I think something to do, they have the planning, the Satanist globalist elite. And also that the predictive programming. Several of those. One of the movie, I think several years ago, the movies, talking about the title, this movie is A Boy, and I think I mentioned the other video before, about this predictive programming. A boy and a little dog. A little boy and a dog, something like that. This movie is talking about apocalyptic time and kind of like nuclear war, whatever. The world kind of destroy, something like that. And in the poster of the movie, have the title. Have the number, the year 2024 AD. What's all about? They were planning to have the war, big war or something like that this year 2024. Kinda very odd. And also the other movie. Leave the World Behind. The player like Julia Roberts. I think not in the theater, this movie, only on TV. He's talking about the cyber attack movie. I don't include the EMP attack. Could be a variation both of those. This cyber attack, the Satanist globalists already announced it will happen. Well, cyber attack they claim to be from the enemy. In the reality, what? From inside job of government themselves. It's not from Russia or China, attack America, just saying. Or the other part of Europe, stuff like that. So they're going to make like them. I think have connection with Great Global Reset. That's what they say. And also the movie about civil war. Civil war, talking about civil war in America. And it's kind of odd. The same time, this is getting more tense. What happened in Texas. Many illegal immigrants come to the border. And the governor in Texas himself don't agree with President Joe Biden allowed to open the border, something like that. And they have the disagreement. They're going to put the National Guard like that, or have connection with something like that. They allow the illegal immigrant to come Well, illegal immigrant, they want to have better life, that's okay. But this is talking about not just regular illegal immigrant. I think about the foreigner invasion. Okay, this is not just from South America. I heard a lot of many people from different countries, like from China, okay, Middle East, and the other part of the world. Okay, so come to America, overflowed, and the government, yes, it's creepy body, so open that border. So they give detention from Texas, and also 25 states who support Texas. So from this can create the civil war. This is not just about talking about that they already prepare the troop there, something like that at this National Guard. Yeah. So if that happen, I believe that civil war could happen in America. Yeah. Could be this year. Very big one and make a destroy economy. I don't think will happen before the rapture of the church. It could happen the bad one after the rapture, but we don't know yet. But I believe but this is what I believe according to the Bible, the one I told you already in Matthew chapter 24, that Jesus coming for his church. When the time people still drinking, eating, be marrying, giving and married. The situation like that must be forced the rapture of the church. Because when Jesus coming, then the situation still look like the days of Noah. During that 7 year tribulation, it's not such thing like that. Not enough food, water, people not giving married, no be marrying, no partying, no drinking and eating. Alright? So the same thing if the war, nuclear war, civil war already happened, I don't think situation like that. So God's still in the control. It doesn't matter. Satan is globally preparing for the cyber attack, created demon created from inside job, stuff like that. It doesn't matter. God's still in the control. If that happen, maybe only one day or two. Not make the destroy economy very bad like that. This is what I see. So God's still in control. So he will not allow until they will get destroyed like that before 7 year tribulation, before the rapture of the church. Okay, what happened in the year 2024? Even though we hear that predictive programming start the year 2024, the end of the world or nuclear war or World War III, stuff like that, and the other CIA person who in his deathbed, he hear a lot of people will die, and the other predictive programming, the movie, and civil war could be break out, and also Satanist globalist elite already announced it that will happen this year, stuff like that. I don't think can create the kind of like already in the 7 year tribulation before the rapture. Because what it says in Matthew chapter 24, like I told you earlier, Jesus Christ will come the time and people still drinking, eating, be marrying. But we will see 2024 still significant. Could be civil war will come, but not quite very big one yet. Okay, now I'll come back to my explanation. The year 2027 rapture time frame. This is the year 2024, the one I told you earlier. Okay, this is the one. Jubilee year, the acceptable year of the Lord. When Jesus Christ began his ministry in September on Yom Kippur 26 AD, and 3.5 years later, he was crucified and died on the cross on Passover, March 30 AD. 41 Jubilees equally 41 times 49 years equal 2009 years. 26 plus 2009 years is 2035 AD. Okay? 2035 AD. 2035 is Jesus' second coming year. 2035 minus 7 years tribulation is 2028. Okay? Israel become a nation again in 1948. According to Psalm 90, verse 10 to 11. Okay? The days of our years are 60 years and 10. 3 times 20 plus 10, 70 years. And if by reason of strength, they be 80 years, 4 times 20, equally 80 years. Yet is their strength, labor and sorrow, for it is soon cut off and we fly away. Who knew the power of thine anger, even according to thine fear, so is thy wrath. Thy wrath what? Wrath, God's wrath during 7 years tribulation. So it's about the counting years, 70 years and 80 years. So the final one, we counting until the 80 years God give time. Yeah. From 1948 plus 80 years in Psalm 90 verse 10 is 2028. So when 7 years tribulation will begin at the same time or year when the Antichrist confront the covenant in Daniel 9 verse 24 to 27. So the year 2028. Okay, so the exact year, like I told you earlier, for 41 Jubilees, yeah, is time 49 is 2009, 2009 years. 2680 when Jesus started his ministry plus 2009 years is 2035, his Jesus second coming, and minus 7 years is 2028. The exact year about this Israel when become a nation again. Okay, so by the end of the year 2027 is the rapture of the church season, because the Hanukkah feast began right on Christmas Eve, December 24, 2027, and it will end just right on New Year's, January 1st, 2028. As God revealed it already, Hanukkah and Christmas rapture dreams and vision to many Christians all over the world in so many years. Alright? So this is very interesting. I think I'm more accurate than the Jubilee years counting from when Jesus started his ministry in 26 AD. So, they will announce it, that Jubilee year, in the year 2028. Okay? 2028. So, okay, you see? So what I see, this time frame, 2027, the rapture time frame, 2028, when 7 years tribulation will begin. I think more accurate than the one this year, the rapture time frame this year, and the 7 years tribulation will begin 2025. Besides, I explained you already in my other video before. You see, according to many dreams and vision, what will happen in America, in the presidency. I don't think this year all in once. Could be happen also like that. Still possibility, but we still keep watching all the time. Even though there high possibility also the rapture could happen by the year 2027. We see now still just the same, like Joe Biden. Could be they already talk about to cancel the election, like told you already. I think something happened, maybe could be related with that civil war. Will break out because of what happened with the border in Texas. And then they cancel their election and to keep Joe Biden remain in the office. No matter what, Trump get a lot of vote or won the election. Since it's possibility also the assassination on Trump could be this December, the one I told you, because December 25th, Christmas Day, the first day of Hanukkah too, yeah. You will see, you have connection with that or not, when they want to try to kill Trump, assassinate Trump. Because they already sure in the predictive programming, yeah, the one last Christmas in the year 2023, yeah, the performance and the dance in the White House itself. Keep in mind, Joe Biden is not the real president. Yeah. He never stay in the White House. Could be that White House itself also in the studio too, when they perform their dance. Yeah, talking about the president was assassinated. Yeah. This is talking about Trump. Yeah, about the story and their dancing story. Yeah, right on Christmas. I mean, for the Christmas party, whatever Christmas perform, yeah. So this is something that they want to do, yeah, and kind of like the other predictive programming too, okay. And could be the next Christmas about Trump, we'll see, and create chaos, yeah, and they cancel the election, and because I told you already, one person have vision and dream, yeah. A dream rather than vision, yeah. So when this happened, assassination on Trump during that Christmas season, because he saw the gingerbread cookies, okay, and because of that, the election is cancelled and then Joe Biden is still in the office. What I heard again, I just find out, yeah, somebody have the dream. I just found out recently. I thought because he have the dementia, he got a brain tumor or brain operation before in the past. Related with that, yeah, he died. But I heard just not too long ago, yeah, he will die because get heart attack, Joe Biden. Okay, the heart attack. So because that heart attack, he passed away. And then Kamala Harris will replace him. Because wherever that happened, election cancelled and Kamala Harris replacing after Joe Biden died. I don't think this year. I think could be at the second term, first or second year or whatever. Maybe could be in the year 2026, 27, or the same year 2027 when I told you earlier. The ratio time frame in the year 2027. Or maybe 2 years before then. I saw there are several people have dreams and vision about the woman's president in the White House. Well, that Kamala Harris, because they already planning like that, like I told you already, Simpson cartoon. Mention about Lisa, her outfit, yeah, when she become a president. Blue suit, yeah, and wearing that pearl necklace, just exactly like Kamala Harris during that inauguration, in the year 2021 with Joe Biden. She wore that purple suit and pearl necklace, so to give a hint, she will become a president, just like in Simpson cartoon. Because whatever Simpson cartoon, this is only predictive programming. They're not predict or prophesy, no, because they know what they're doing. They're planning to do that. Okay, Kamala Harris, and then Obama back to the office after that. What I heard somebody have dream, she died because her illness, or I'm not sure about that. I'm not confirmed yet. What happened with Kamala Harris? But I know Obama will back in the office. He will become dictator. He will destroy America even worse than before. That I believe maybe, by the end, before the rapture of the church in 2027 could be happen also. He the one who replace it, Kamala Harris, something happened to her. Like I told you earlier, I heard she died because what not clear. Or maybe something else happened, I'm not sure about that. I do not get the dreams and vision prophesied. Other people have that, but I heard, not yet. So what will happen after that? And then Obama back in the office because no president. So everything they already cancel. the real legitimate president, the last one, Trump. But Joe Biden have that because a lot of, okay, they said election was rigged. No, nothing. Election real anyway. American people never elect the president. The one who select it, the one who elect it, Satanist globalist elite. This president only their puppets. Okay, they're all criminal anyway. So, what I see about what's going to happen, yeah. Similar like takes more time until the year 2027. If happen rapture in 2024, could happen very fast, you know. But the thing I'm still kind of puzzling me, if that civil war happen this year, you know, kind of chaos also. I think God's still in control. I kind of doubt, yeah, make everything very, very bad or disaster, yeah. Make economy get destroyed very bad before the rapture. Because this is still a long way to go. But I see more accurate, yeah. The rapture of the church could happen by the year 2027 rather than 2024. But I heard also again what predictive programming said. They're planning want to kill a lot of people with the war, stuff like that, yeah. The year 2024. Okay? And even Diggle Dakam already mentioned that this information already get deleted, yeah. But the year 2025, a lot of people, especially the one live in the Western world like America, Canada, Europe, much less population. You see? So, what happened? Connected with this the year 2024. Seems like almost the end of the year 2024, but I see it. Like I explained already in my other video. But the year 2027 also very significant. If we still here by the end 2024 and then 2025 again, how come still here the rapture sense, yeah? So we have to wait the latest by the year 2027. I think not right away. Takes time, yeah. With this event will take place. Okay, people sometimes forget, yeah, about what the other prophecies. Oh, our don't believe it never happened. Like Obama become a dictator or come back again, yeah. Like the third term president, and become like third term the third term president. In fact, the reality the last legitimate president Trump, because what happened with creepy Biden, yeah, he's not the real legitimate president. No, not the real thing. He just pretending. Or cause like Kamala Harris also. Just it's not legitimate, yeah. And then Obama, yeah. So it's kinda, I think takes longer time than just 1 year like that in this year, yeah. Even though that very significant with the total solar eclipses and what happened in America, and once someone dreams, said he saw number 10. Well, that letter X all across America, yeah, from this total solar eclipses, yeah. That like X is itself number 10. Number 10 have connection with this war, kind of like nuclear war, whatever. Maybe it's possibility also, yeah, the true church before the rapture of the church, yeah, or the rapture sense, will witness all these things too, yeah. We have to wait and see. It's kind of scary, the whole thing, yeah, because this is a connection with this new world order agenda. You know I'm talking about the snake bite magic potion thing, yeah, man-made pestilence, stuff like that. But they're gonna do the cyber attack they're planning. And the other one, they want to make a lot of 15-minute cities, the controlling people, stuff like that, and kind of like communist system. Oh, there are dreams, vision, and the prophecy from God, yeah, mention about this the beast system, yeah, communism and Sharia law. Communist, yeah, you see, this new world order agenda is like communists. Okay, Sharia law, yeah, like beheading people, treat women like their property. People who not follow the religion Islam, yeah, must go to jail or die, something like that. So have connection kind of similar like the beast system too, all and all together. Yeah? So anyway, we just keep looking up. We have to wait and see what will happen this year, 2024. I'm sure very significant, like I mentioned earlier, yeah. This time frame up to 2027. So the rapture no later than the year 2027. I don't think we will pass 2028. Like I explained you earlier, related to this Jubilee year, and when Jesus started his ministry in 26 AD, 441 Jubilees, time 49, you see, 2009 years, plus 26 AD, the year to 2035, when that second coming, and minus 7 years, 47 years tribulation, bring up 2028. When the time 7 years tribulation will begin the same time with the Antichrist sign in that peace treaty, according to Daniel chapter 9, verse 24 to 27. Or sign it to confirm it, not just sign it, confirm it the covenant for 7 years. And while the rapture, several months before that happened, by the end December, around that Hanukkah and Christmas season. So I don't think the 7 years tribulation will begin just right after the rapture. No, at that time the world will be a lot of chaos, the destruction. Yeah, after get more settled. Yeah, and then the Antichrist show up according to Revelation 6 chapter 1 to 2, and then he will make the covenant. Confirm the covenant in Daniel chapter 9 verse 24 to 27. Then when after that happen, 7 years tribulation will begin. But I believe 7 years tribulation, yeah, several months after the rapture event, by the end of the year 2027, and then several months later by the year 2028. Then that happened 2027. But I see counting Jubilee year start when Jesus started his ministry, because a lot of missing year, yeah. Israel not keep an eye all the time the Jubilee years in the biblical time in the Old Testament. Yeah. So I'm just counting Jesus' ministry for first time, yeah, when he was 30 years old, it's about 30 years old in 26 AD, plus that 41 Jubilees, time 49 years, 2009 years. Bring up 2035 years minus 7 years tribulation, 2028. Plus, yeah, when Israel become a nation again, 1948, plus 88, plus 80 years, yeah, according to Psalm 90 verse 10, the final one, yeah, the longest one for 80 years, will bring 2028, when the time the Antichrist will confirm the covenant to make that 7 years tribulation will begin. But all in all, even though similar like 2027 more accurate for the rapture time frame, and 2028 for the 7 years tribulation will begin, this year still kind of interesting. For the year 2024, beside the same time with Chinese horoscope that representing with dragon this year, and the serpent next year representing the beast system or the or the Antichrist himself. Yeah. Okay, keep looking up. Our redemptions draws near.